My students, before going to next problem, just you remember one concept. On translation or rotation, that means on translation of the axis, rotation of the axis, the position of the point, length of line segment, area, perimeter, the area of anyone, perimeter of anyone, angles are not changed, but the coordinates and the equation will change. That means if you go for this one, this is the coordinate axis. Okay, this is x-axis, this is y-axis. For suppose this is the triangle ABC. Okay, if you rotate this x-axis and y-axis about some 60 degrees. This is x dash, this is y dash. Is this perimeter will change? No. Is this area will be changed? No. Okay, is this angle will be changed? No. But coordinates will be changed. According to original axis, a coordinate, b coordinate, c coordinates are something whatever may be, some 1 comma 2 3 comma 4 5 comma 6. Then according to new coordinate axis, this a b c coordinates will be changed, but perimeter, area, lengths, angles never be changed. It will be same only. Okay, so based on that one, some questions if you see, the line joining the points A2, 0 and B3, 1 is rotated through an angle of 45 degrees about in the anti-clockwise direction. The coordinates of B in the new position is. That means is asking if you take a line joining these 2 points. Let us consider A2, 0 is on x-axis, B3, 1 is in first quadrant. So you take this is the coordinate axis and this is A2, 0 is on x-axis, B3, 1 is here. So this is the line equation. Okay, so he is not asking to rotate the axis, he is asking to rotate this straight line about 45 degrees. So for suppose this is the straight line is here. Okay, this straight line AB is here. So if you rotate this AB about 45 degrees, it may be like this, and the angle between these two lines is 45 degrees. And B position will be changed, but distance never be changed. For suppose here A to B is R units, here same A to B is R units only, but position will be changed. That means coordinates will be changed. Length never be changed. So if you want to find this problem, that means if you want to find the new coordinates, very easy procedure is verification. First you find out length between A to B, how much you get, same value you apply. That means if you get a distance between A comma B is equal to something R units, then you opt here one of the option. So which option bears same distance with capital A, that is our option. Okay, see here, first you find out length of AB. AB is equal to, what is here, AB is equal to 2 root over 2 minus 3 whole square plus 0 minus 1 whole square. That means 2 minus 3 whole square is equal to 1, 0 minus 1 whole square is equal to 1. So 1 plus 1 is equal to root 2. So you take one of the option here. Already I verified, so your option is 2 comma root 2. But if you don't know, if suppose if option is first option only, here 2 comma root 2, that is only the option. But for suppose if it is not the correct option, we have to verify remaining 3 options also. Okay, so take 2 comma root 2 verification, option 1. So 2 comma root 2 you take. So distance from A to 2 comma root 2, if you get root 2, that is only the answer. If it is not root 2, then you go for check for remaining 3 options. Okay, so distance from A to 2 root 2 is nothing but here A is 2 comma 0, that means root over 2 minus 2 whole square plus 0 minus root 2 whole square. Okay, so 2 minus 2 whole square is 0, 0 minus root 2 whole square means minus whole square becomes 2 plus only root 2 whole square is 2 only. So root over 0 plus 2, that is equal to root 2. So give same answer. So there is no option satisfies such that A2 that option is equal to root 2 length. Okay, so only the first option is the answer here. So that is the correct answer. So next question. If the axes are translated to the circumcenter of the triangle formed by 9 comma 3 minus 1 comma 7 minus 1 comma 3, then the centroid of the triangle in the new system is. Okay, if the axes are translated to the circumcenter of the triangle formed by, that means they given 3 points, so we have to translate, that means shift the origin to circumcenter of these 3 points. First we have to find out circumcenter of these 3 points. Okay, after that find out the new coordinates of the centroid of this triangle only. Okay, very clear question. So first we have to find out the circumcenter and translate the origin to, that means shift the origin to that circumcenter. After that find out the new coordinates of centroid of this triangle. That means we have to first find out the centroid of this triangle. After that we have to find out the new coordinates of the centroid. Okay. So first you observe here given points are 9 comma 3 minus 1 comma 7 minus 1 comma 3. So observe here minus 1 comma 3 you observe this abscissa here abscissa same, this ordinate same. That means it forms a right angle triangle and this is the right angle vertex. Okay. So circumcenter is in right angle triangle, circumcenter is equal to midpoint of the hypotenuse. So it is ABC, C is the right angle vertex. So AB are the AB are the endpoints of this hypotenuse. That means distance between, that means midpoint of AB is nothing but circumcenter. So 9 minus 1 by 2 comma 3 plus 7 by 2, that is the midpoint. So 9 minus 1 by 2 means 8 by 2, 8 by 2 is equal to 4, 3 plus 7, that is 10 by 2, that is equal to 5. So this is the circumcenter. Now you translate the axis to this point 4 comma 5, that is you consider some h comma k. So now we have to find out the new coordinates of the centroid. First we have to find out the centroid of the given 3 points. Okay, that means centroid is equal to 9 minus 1 by 3, 3 plus 7 plus 3 by 3. So that means 9 minus 1 is equal to 7 by 3. This is 13 by 3. So this is small x comma y. Now we have to find out the new coordinates of this small x comma y. Okay, by when translated the axis to 4 comma 5. So here h comma k is equal to 4 comma 5, small x comma y is equal to 7 by 3 comma 13 by 3. Now we have to find out capital X. So we have the formula small x is equal to capital X plus h. If you want to find out capital X is equal to small x minus h. Small x is equal to 7 by 3, h is equal to 4. So 7 by 3 minus 4, that gives 3 4s are 12. So that means 7 minus 12, that means minus 5 by 3. And y is equal, capital Y is equal to small y minus k, small y is equal to 13 by 3 minus 5. So 3 5s are 15, 13 minus 15, it is minus 2 by 3. So therefore new centroid is equal to minus 5 by 3 comma minus 2 by 3. Next one. The point 4 comma 1 undergoes the following two transformations successively. First one, reflection about the line y is equal to x. Second one is translation through a distance 2 units along the positive direction of x-axis. The final position of that point is asking. So the point 4 comma 1 undergoes the following two transformations successively. First one is, first find out reflection about the line y is equal to x. So already I gave these formulas in coordinate system. The reflection of 4 comma 1 with respect to x is equal to y or y is equal to x, both are same only. So 4 comma 1 reflection with respect to x is equal to y is nothing but 1 comma 4 reverse. 4 as that means x coordinate is y coordinate is x coordinate. So 1 comma 4. So for that 1 comma 4, the find out translation through a distance 2 units along the positive direction of x-axis. The final position of the point is asking. If you observe the diagram, so this is the coordinate axis, this is the line x is equal to y. Here the point is some 4 comma 1. For this 4 comma 1, so this, it may be point is, this is 4 units on x-axis and this is 1 unit on y-axis. So this is the position of 4 comma 1. With respect to x is equal to y, the reflection of 4 comma 1 is nothing but 1 comma 4. So this distance is, you understand, 1. And this height here on y-axis you take, this is the point 4 units. So this will be 1 comma 4. So now he is asking, so x is equal to y, with respect to x is equal to y, this 4 comma 1 changes to 1 comma 4. So this is the one changed point. Okay, 4 comma 1 changes to 1 comma 4. Now he is asking translation through a distance 2 units along the positive direction of x-axis. That means after changing this point, now translate this origin to some point. That point is nothing but from 1 comma 4, it is towards x-axis, take 2 units distance. Towards x-axis means this is x-axis. So parallel to this 1 comma 4, if you draw a line towards the positive direction of x-axis means it is going in this way. Okay, so from 1 comma 4 to 2 units, if it moves, that means it is 1 point. After 1, if you move to 2 units, that means if you take this is 1 point, this is 1 here, so this is 2 here, this is, if you understand, this is 3 here. So what is this? So 2 units means from 1 to 2 units moving means that it goes to 3. So x coordinate will be 3. That means if we add 1 to 2 also, that gives same x coordinate. So that means if 2 units moving means so 1 plus 2, that is equal to 3 comma. So y coordinate will be same. So on this line always y coordinates will be same, that is parallel to x axis, y coordinate is same. Okay, so that means 2 units moving from this point towards positive direction of x axis means that position, new position will becomes to 1 plus 2 comma 4. So 1 plus 2 comma 4 means 3 comma 4. That is only answer for this question. Okay, so now this origin translated to this point is asking. What is that point? That point is nothing but 3 comma 4. So next question is, the line joining two points a2 comma 0 and b3 comma 1 is rotated about a. This is level 3 problems. So the line joining two points a2 comma 0 and b3 comma 1 is rotated about a in anti-clockwise direction through an angle 15 degrees. If b goes to c, then c is equal to same. So distance never be changed. So from a to b, what is the distance? So we get the same length to find the option here. So such that AB is equal to AC. So they given C is here. So find out the point C such that AC is equal to AB. So find out AB length. After that you verify the options. Which option gives the same length to A. Okay. So same question, same model question. So AB is equal, that means if a line rotated about 15 degrees, so B becomes to C. So that means length never be changed. That is the important you understand. So first here already I verified options, so all options. Here option, right option is fourth option. So directly I am taking fourth option. If you want to verify all options, you continue, no problem. So first you find out AB length. What is AB length? AB length, distance from A to B is equal to 2 minus 3 whole square plus 0 minus 1 whole square. 2 minus 3 whole square is 1. 0 minus 1 whole square is nothing but 1. So root over 1 plus 1, that is equal to root 2. So here option already I told you, that is fourth option I verified. So if you want to verify all three options also, you can verify. That is these three options won't give same root 2 length. Okay, so go for 4 plus root 2 by 2 comma root 6 by 2. So distance from A to, this is right option as C. So A to C is nothing but A is here 2 comma 0. So root over 4 plus root 2 by 2 minus 2 whole square plus root 6 by 2 minus 0 whole square. So this is 2 2's are 4. So 4 plus root 2 minus 4 by 2 whole square plus root 6 by 2 whole square means root 6 whole square is 6, 2 square is 4, 6 by 4. So this 4 get cancelled. We have root 2 by 2 whole square. Root 2 by 2 whole square means root 2 whole square is 2, 2 square is 4. So 2 by 4 plus 6 by 4. Here 2 by 4 is nothing but 1 by 2. 6 by 4 is nothing but 3 by 2. So 2 is cancelling. Okay. So this is nothing but root over 2 is LCM. So 1 plus 3, 4, 4 by 2. 4 by 2 is equal to root 2. So same option, same answer. Root 2 is equal to root 2. So fourth option is correct answer. Next question. The line passing through 7 comma 3, 5 comma 1 meets the x-axis at P. if the line is rotated through an angle 30 degrees in anti-clockwise direction about P, then slope of its new position is. Slope means here very important. After straight lines you can understand the slope in different form. Actually, until we know slope means y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, slope of any line having 2 points x1 y1 x2 y2, then slope is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So that is also denoted with the tan theta. That is also denoted with tan theta, where theta is the angle made by the positive direction of x-axis with that line. That means, for suppose if it is the line equation, and if this angle is theta, okay, then tan theta also called slope of this line. And if you want to use this, that means any 2 points on that line, so that the slope formula is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Both ways we can say. So anyhow, here the question is the line passing through 7 comma 3 5 comma 1. First you take 7 comma 3 5 comma 1 on coordinate axis. Take the coordinate axis. This is coordinate axis. You understand this is the point some 5 comma 1. The 5 comma 1 means this is 5 units on x-axis, and 1 means this is 1 unit on y-axis. And 7 comma 3 means here to here distance will be 7 units, and here to here distance will be 3 units. Then this is the point is 7 comma 3. So this is the line passing through 7 comma 3 and 5 comma 1. Okay, so meets the x-axis at P. So it meets on x-axis at P. So if the line is rotated through an angle 30 degrees, so this line rotated through an angle 30 degrees. So here to here angle becomes to 30 degrees. Okay, so then that line becomes to this one. Okay, so about P means at P it is rotating. Okay, it is, you are not rotating axis, you are rotating the line only. Okay, in the anti-clockwise direction means here to here it is moving like this. Okay, it is moving like this. So about P, then the slope of its new position is. Slope of its new position means slope means, once again I am explaining. So this is the coordinate axis, this is the line. Okay, so if this line makes an angle theta in anti-clockwise direction, that means here to here angle is theta, then tan theta is called the slope of this line. Or in other words, if it is the line equation having x1 comma y1 and x2 comma y2 are 2 points, any 2 points on this line, then slope formula also called y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So this, if you equate these two, then tan theta is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Okay, now come to the point. So first you find out here slope according to given 2 points on the line. So that means 7 comma 3 and 5 comma 1 they given. So y2 minus y1, that means 3 minus 1 by 7 minus 5. 3 minus 1 by 7 minus 5 is equal to 3 minus 1 is 2, 7 minus 5 is 2. 2 by 2, that is equal to 1. So that is equal to tan theta. So here theta is angle between x-axis and this line. Okay, so here to here angle we can find by using tan theta is equal to 1. For what angle tan theta, tan function becomes to 1? For theta is equal to 45, tan function becomes to 1. That means theta is equal to what here? 45 degrees. So here to here angle is nothing but 45 degrees. Okay, now he is asking to find out then the slope of its new position is. That means after rotating how much degrees? 30 degrees. What is the slope of this line he is asking? Slope means not with this small angle here to here angle. Slope means total angle here to here angle. So already it is 45 degrees. So they given it is 30 degrees. So 45 plus 30, 75 degrees. Now he is asking tan 75 degrees. That is only the slope of the new position. That means, okay. So 45 plus 30, that is equal to 75. Slope of a new line is tan 30 plus 45. So because of, we cannot find out the slope by using points form, because we know only one point, we don't know about a remaining point on this line. So using theta only we can find slope. So tan of 30 plus 45, that is equal to tan 75. Tan 75 degrees value 2 plus root 3. So we get this formula after completion of trigonometry. Okay, in trigonometry, when you're discussing trigonometry, you get this value tan 75 degrees is equal to 2 plus root 3 until you remember this value tan 75 degrees is equal to 2 plus root 3. Okay.